guys, The Relaxing Ant here, and welcome to my first ever PS4 gameplay, and also my first non-care package Chemstrite in Call of Duty Ghost. This is a gameplay from yesterday. I got it during a live stream session at twitch.tv/relaxingstream, and I'm using the AK-12 silenced for the first kill, and the rest of the kills I got with an enemy gun, the Honey Badger Custom. So regular TDM with random players, so no party members were in this game. So in the previous multiplayer video, you guys may remember, I asked Infinity Ward to make some major changes to infected game type, and I think either they listened to me or somebody else, or maybe they had it planned all along, but anyway, there are going to be some changes to infected sometime in January, at least that's what the news say, and they are going to add more classes to it and more guns, so no more bullet only, but there will be something else. They haven't exactly revealed what kind of guns, but let's hope for the best that there will be some decent guns at least in the game type. So, good news for infected fans. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the gameplay, and see you in the next one.
রফিকের সঙ্গে মৌ তার নিজের অন্তরঙ্গ ভিডিও ফুটেজ ফেসবুকে দেখে তার আর বুঝতে বাকি থাকে না রফিকের আসল উদ্দেশ্য। তখন তার একটাই উদ্দেশ্য হয়ে দাঁড়ায় তার ছোট বোন মুনিয়াকে এই লম্পটের হাত থেকে রক্ষা করা। চলুন দর্শক দেখি কি ঘটে। ও কি পারবে তার ছোট বোনের সম্ভ্রম রক্ষা করতে, এই লম্পটের হাত থেকে তার ছোট বোনকে বাঁচাতে? চলুন দেখা যাক।
Orange up! Orange up! Orange up! Oh! Hey. Hey. 794. 794. 794. 794. 794. 794. 794. Yes.